there are some differences between the union and structure. Very first difference you can write down is the keyword struct is used to define a structure, whereas the keyword union is used to define a union. So how to identify structure and union? By using the keyword struct as well as the keyword union. When a variable is associated with a structure, the compiler allocates the memory for each and every member. That's why the size of structure is greater than or equal to the sum of sizes of its member. The smallest member may end with unused stack memory. Okay. So here for each and every variable of structure, memory gets allocated. Okay. So size of structure is always greater than the sum of the size, right? Whereas when a variable is associated with a union, the compiler allocates the memory by considering the size of the largest memory. Okay. So the size of union is always equal to the size of largest member. So whatever be the largest variable in the union, that much memory gets allocated for particular union. So always size of union is always same as the size of that member. So each member within a structure is assigned unique storage area of location, as we have seen the memory allocation of structure and union. So for each and every member a separate unique memory storage is allocated, as well as in case of union, individual member shares the memory, so memory sharing is there. The address of each member will be in ascending order. This indicates that memory for each member will start at different offset value. Obviously, we can say the memory map, we have seen the memory map. So address of each and every variable will be in ascending order, because the first variable will allocate some memory, then after that some another memory, that is the incremented memory, gets allocated to the next member. So while in case of union, the same address is used by all the members of the union, because it is nothing but the sharing of memory. Altering value of member will not affect other members of the structure, because separate memory is allocated for each and every member. But this might be the case when union is used. So when we are altering any member of the union, there may be changes in the other values also, other member values also. Individual member can be accessed at a time. Each and every members we can access in structure, but only one member can be accessed at a time. Okay, you can try any program for union and you can see these differences. Their memory storage is there. We have seen one program in the previous example where we have stored the value as 512 for variable I, and it is shared by other character array also. Okay. So several members of a structure can initialize at once, but only first member of a union can be initialized. So these are some differences between the union and structure.
If you like this video, click on subscribe and like button.